Welcome to all my lovely students out there. Today I am here to discuss on how to present your maths paper for the coming board exam. Okay, we will discuss completely starting from the first question to the last question on how to present your paper. Many of you know to solve the sums, but when we are looking into your paper presentation, many of you are falling short in that. So specially I've come up with this exclusive in detail video where we will be discussing on how to start your paper, what all precautions should be taken before your paper, after the paper, what are the do's and don'ts, how to manage your time, etc. for the coming board exam. Okay, first of all, don't be nervous. Whatever you have prepared, be positive that what I have prepared will be coming for the exam. Okay, on the last moment, don't go for any new formula or nothing. Don't study any new formula at the last moment. Just be prepared to take the paper. Okay, as soon as you get the paper, so your answer sheet will be somewhat like this. Now for this year students, we have half an hour more time is given for you. So you read the front page in detail. You can read the instructions given in the second page. What all are the things told? What all are told? Everything you can read. Plus follow this video and I am sure that you will be scoring some good marks. Okay. So first and foremost, you will be getting your hall ticket. So as you get your hall ticket, in your hall ticket you have the complete details of whatever you have to fill in this answer sheet. Okay. Center number will be there in the hall ticket. Maybe 4381. So you'll be writing 4381. This paper I'll be discussing with you in detail. Don't worry. Just now I'll show you the paper and later on now in this video itself we will start with the solution of prelims paper of last year. Last year's prelim paper we will be solving so that you get a complete idea on how to present the paper, what all things should be written, how to mark the final answer, all that will be discussed in detail. So watch the video till the end. Now the complete paper will not be solved in the one video. I'll be solving it in parts. This is part 1 of prelim paper solution. Okay. Okay children, so as I told you, your answer sheet will look like this. Now be patient, calm and then fill in the details. Everything you have in your hall ticket, center number, it is mentioned in your hall ticket. So by looking into your hall ticket, you will write your center number. Suppose in case if it is 7384. So that 4-digit number you will write. Next is seat number in figure and in words. Both is given in your hall ticket. In case my seat number is A153692. Okay. The same thing will be given in words also. So just copy from your hall ticket and write A dash, then copy the number. Okay. 1,53,692. Like that same way you should write. Next is signature of candidate. Now as you signed on your hall ticket, same signature you should do here. Okay. So look into your hall ticket and put the same signature. Next, so this is your signature. Candidate means your signature. Don't sign for supervisor. Just leave it. Question paper set code. This will be mentioned in your question paper. So whatever is your code that you can write. Fine. Whatever is your question paper code that you will copy. Next is your subject. Question paper set code can be A, B, C, D. You can copy it from your question paper. Subject. Now here maths. So maths, or you write mathematics, because in the question paper you will see that it is written as mathematics. Mathematics paper 1 and date. When you are giving the exam, that date. Language of answer for English medium, English. Hindi medium students will write Hindi. and Marathi medium Marathi, like that, whichever medium you belong to. Number of supplements, this you will write at the end after you complete your exam. Okay, then no need to write anything here. This is all for the examiner. Don't mention anything. This place also leave it as it is. Question paper set code, whatever you have the code, same thing you will mention here. If there is no code, put a dash. Nothing. Time. Then you have your paper this way. You can make it more presentable by drawing a margin towards the right, because in case lot of paper together, if the edges, suppose it is a tone or something happens, you are safe. So don't write onto the edge of the paper, just draw a margin towards the right side this way, and one more small margin you can do onto the left side. So this much part you have to write your paper. Okay, same way I will draw lines and make the paper complete with these lines. Onto the right side a margin, and onto the left side another small margin, this way. Okay, so complete that for all the pages. Right side. Yeah. Once that is done, now because this is maths paper, I need some space for working. So you can use the right hand side corner this way. Draw the rough side. So you can write here rough work, or you can use the last page. The last page of your answer sheet can also be used as rough work. Please mention here rough work, and you can do your calculation. But I suggest you use the right side of your answer sheet itself. Each paper right side, please mention rough work, and you can do your calculations here. Now you have half an hour time to complete this work. Now few formulas, suppose in case you have by hearted the formulas, and you as soon as you write the paper you may not remember it. So as soon as you get your answer sheet, you can write the formula. Before you forget, you can mention the formula. dx is equal to dx upon d, y is equal to dy upon d, like that. Whichever formula you want to write, okay, all that you can write here and keep. No problem. With pencil you can write and keep, so that you remember the formulas well. Fine. So all this you can write. You can draw the trigonometric table for geometry or circle formula. Everything can be written and kept as soon as you get your answer sheet. No problem in that. Next is, don't mention any of your identity other than seat number, signature on your answer sheet. Don't mention your religion, okay, anywhere here on the answer sheet. Just your seat number and center number, etc. That is another thing that you should look into. Next, so as I told you, I have taken a prelim paper. So this is last year's prelim papers. Prelim paper which came from BSM. So when you read, see, preliminary examination 2021, standard 10, 2 hours, maths 1, marks 40. All questions are compulsory. All questions are compulsory here means question number 1A you should attempt, question number B you should attempt, question number 2A you should attempt, then 2B, 3A, like that. All the main questions should be attempted. That is the meaning of all questions are compulsory. Use of calculator not allowed. Numbers on the right side indicate marks. Marks are given onto the right side of the question paper. For each multiple choice question, question number 1A, only the first attempt will be evaluated. Yeah, this you should be careful. Okay, so select the answer wisely after doing the calculation and then write it in your answer sheet. While writing the answers of multiple choice question, write only number of sub questions and write correct alphabet A, B, C, D only. Okay, so as we solve, you will get a better idea on that. As you can see, question number 1A, the first question is, so I'll write question number 1, question 1, or just 1 will also do because question number is already specified. Question number 1 in that A. So A And then I have 4 questions. So first one, for simultaneous equations in x and y, dx is equal to 49, dy equal to minus 63, d equal to 7, then what is x? Now remember, choose the correct option for each of the following sub-question. This is question number 1a. They have mentioned only first attempt will be evaluated. So don't cancel and write. Okay, whatever you are writing, that answer should be correct. Okay, you should be sure before you write it onto the answer sheet. So I will work on this. Dx is given as 49. Let me solve. Working column. So my dx is equal to 49. Dy is equal to minus 63 and d is equal to 7. So what will be x? According to the formula, dx upon d, which is equal to, dx is 49 upon 7, which is equal to 7. So the value of x is 7. So how will I write the answer? Question number 1a in that first one. Question is, what is the value of x? What is x? So I'll write, if you want, you can write dx is equal to 49, dy equal to minus 63, d equal to 7. You're doing the working here itself, no problem. X is equal to dx upon d, which is equal to 49 upon 7, which is equal to 7. Now while writing the answer, write answer. Which is the option that you have selected? 7 is the first option, A. So write down A. Okay. And if you want, you can write it as 7. This way, or only A if you write, then too you will get the full marks. Correct? So similarly, now the second question. One of the root of the equation x square plus mx minus 5 equal to 0 is 2. Then find m. I will copy the equation. X square plus mx minus 5 equal to 0. One of the root is 2. Find m. So I'll put the value of x as 2. Therefore, 2 square plus m into 2 minus 5 equal to 0. 4 plus 2m minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, 4 minus 5 is minus 1 plus 2m equal to 0. 2m equal to, minus 1 goes to the other side, plus 1. M is equal to 1 upon 2. So, I got the answer as 1 upon 2. Which is the correct option now here? 1 upon 2, option number C. So, I'll write answer option C. And then again, to be double sure, I'll mention the correct answer. Even if you write the alphabet, it is fine. But see to it that children, you have copied the question number correctly. And then cancelling and writing it again, no. Then that answer will not be evaluated. So there should be no cancellation here. Now question number 3. What is the sum of the first 30 natural numbers? I know the formula for sum of the first 30 natural numbers. Sn is equal to n upon 2. Formula is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct? This is the formula that I am going to use. First 30 natural numbers is the question. For natural numbers, start with 1. So in place of a, 1. How many? 30 numbers. So 30 upon 2. 2 into 1 plus, again n is 30. So when I substitute, first 30 natural numbers. So n is 30 upon 2. First natural number is 1. So in place of a, 1 plus 30 minus 1 into d. What is the common difference? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the natural numbers. So common difference between them is 1, which is equal to 15 into, bracket start, 2 plus 29, which is equal to 15 into 31. I'll do the working here. 31 into 15. Please multiply. 5, 15, 1, 3. So I'm getting the answer as 465. Is the correct option available here? 465? Yes, 465 is option number B. So now I'll write answer. Okay. Which is the correct option? B. And then 465. Okay. So the correct option alphabet should be mentioned. Yes. Moderator will only be looking at this. 1A is the correct answer. Okay. Correct. 2C. Correct. 3B. Correct. This working, if you are not showing here, you are doing it onto the working column, well and fine. Even if you are doing it here, no problem. Okay. Both ways is fine with the correction. Now next, question number 4. I am using the second page. Question number 4. And the question is, what is the probability of the event? I hope all of you can see the question clearly. What is the probability of the event that a number chosen from 1 to 100 is a prime number? So they are asking us, what is the probability of the event that the number chosen from 1 to 100 is a prime number? So now you will find out how many prime numbers are there between 1 to 100. Prime numbers. So this is my working, but I'll do it here itself and finally I'll write the answer. Prime numbers between 1 to 100. It will start with 2, 3, 5, then 7, then 11, then 13. Okay. After 13, next number 15, 16, 17. Then we have 19. Then we have 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 31, 37, 38, 39, no, 40, 41, 43. Then we have directly 47, correct? Then we have 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 59, 61, 66, 67, 69, 70, 71, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 83, 89 and 80, 89, 90, no, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 93, no, 94, 95, 96, 97. Okay, so these are the prime numbers between 1 to 100. I got the list. Now let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So how many I am getting for this event? N of A is equal to 25. If this is set A, prime numbers. And in the question, what is the sample space? Probability of event, that number chosen from 1 to 100. 1 to 100 means the sample space will be in the list 1 to 100. How many numbers are there? 1 to 100 means N of S will be 100, right? Now probability of prime number, P of A equal to N of S upon N of A upon N of S. Correct? N of A upon N of S. So N of A we got 25 upon total numbers 100. So this will be 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4. Please check whether you have 1 upon 4 in this list. Yes. Option number C. So you will write answer. Correct option is option number C. 1 upon 4. Now here in this question there should be no cutting, no cancellation, nothing. So be sure and then write your correct answer. So question number 1A is done. And now you can take a fresh page. Start on a fresh page. Question number 1B. Question number 1B. This is question number 1B. In that, solve the following questions. All the sums you have to solve. There is no choice. Each question 1 mark. So in that the first question is, write the quadratic. So here is the question. Write the quadratic equation in standard form and the equation is this. So let me copy the question in this number 1. Question number B in that number 1. X square plus 5x equal to minus 3 minus x. This way the question is given. We have to write it in standard form. First let us open the bracket and see. Children, please mention therefore x square plus 5x is equal to minus 3. Minus and minus will become plus. Plus x. Fine. Now therefore x square plus 5x plus x goes to the other side, minus x plus 3 equal to 0. Minus 3 comes here, plus 3. So therefore x square plus into minus minus, 5 minus 1 is 4x. 5 is bigger number with plus sign, plus 3 equal to 0. Now what is the standard form of quadratic equation? The standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So in this format, when you write, what will be the standard form? Therefore, the standard form of the given equation is standard form of given equation is, keep your handwriting legible, moderator should be able to read it. So we got our standard form as x square plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Now you can highlight your final answer with pencil. So this is my standard form. So I'll just highlight the answer with the pencil this way. Fine? Yes. So with lot of papers, each moderator or examiner gets more than 200 papers. 250, 200 papers. So they don't have time to go through each and every paper in detail. They will see the final answer. Is it highlighted? Okay. This is the correct answer. Then they will look on to the other steps. Okay. Everything is mentioned. Fine. 1 mark. You will get it. So presentation is very important. Keep it neat and less cancellations. Even if you want to cancel, just one strike off. Don't keep on scribbling it on the paper. Okay, fine. So first sum done. Now second sum. Find the value of the determinant. So let us copy the given question number 2. So we have 5 minus 7, 3 and minus 4. Find the value of the determinant. So therefore determinant D is equal to 5 into minus 4. This way, no, cross. 5 into minus 4 minus 7 into 3. Here and there. Minus you can put in bracket. 5 into minus 4 will be minus 20. Minus minus becomes plus. 7 3s are 21. Okay. Minus 20 plus 21. Your answer is 1. Minus into plus minus 21 minus 21. So D is equal to 1. Okay. So finally you will write the value of determinant as asked in the question. The value of determinant D is 1. And highlight your answer. Highlight your answer. This you can do at the end also, but I suggest then and there do it and finish off your work. Yes. Coming to the third question. What is the common difference D of the AP arithmetic progression 2 minus 2 minus 6 minus 10 and so on. So we have a AP given here. Question number 3. You can write here, children. Question number 3. AP, the given AP is equal to 2 comma minus 2 comma minus 6 comma minus 10 comma dot dot dot. 2 lines here left out. You can just ignore that and start on a new page, fresh page. Question is find the common difference. So for common difference you write T1 equal to 2 in the given AP. This is T1, T2, T3, T4. So let me copy. T1 2, T2 is minus 2, T3 is minus 6 and T4 is minus 10. So therefore, T2 minus T1 equal to minus 2 minus 2. T2 is minus 2 minus of 2, which is equal to minus 4. Same way, T3 minus T2 equal to T3 is minus 6 minus of minus 2, which is equal to minus 6 plus 2 minus 4. Fine. So you are getting the common difference as minus 4. One more if you can try. T4 minus T3, which is equal to T4 is minus 10 minus of minus 6, which is equal to minus 10 plus 6 minus 4. So now you got the common difference. D is equal to T2 minus T1, which is equal to minus 4. Finally, write the answer. Common difference. Children, you have ample time. So calmly, patiently, write common difference D of AP 2, minus 2, minus 6, minus 10 is, this is a common difference, minus 4. And highlight your answer. Highlight your answer. Yes. So I am doing all the required detailing work, everything neat and clean. So I can assure these marks. Yes. Fine. Okay. Now coming on to the fourth and the last question of question number 1. Fourth question. Write the sample space if a die is rolled. A die. If a die is rolled, okay, die. So, what is the possible sample space? Directly, question number 4, a die is rolled. So, I'll write a die is rolled. Sample space S equal to brace bracket start. So, the outcome will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write the sample space is asked. Okay, not the number of sample points. No need. Okay, so this is fine. This is your final answer. After writing here, again you can write it once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Mention it as final answer and highlight your answer. Okay. Okay, children. So, in this way, we have completed our question number 1, A and B. I hope you understood each part well. Now, in the next video, we will be solving the remaining part of this question paper. That is, we will start with question number 2A. I hope you understood it. If you understood, kindly share it with your other friends in need and like, comment, share. Meet you with question number 2 in the next class. Till then, bye. Take care.